That's cool. So I'm on the beach here at Drummond Park on Salt Spring Island. There's the little Hawaiian church in the distance, built by the Hawaiians in 1880. That's a Hawaiian graveyard. Did you know that? You know it now. That's a Hawaiian cemetery. The first settlers here were Hawaiians on Salt Spring Island. Okay, so what's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah, and your name? Richard, and I'm Joe. I'm Banana Joe. Okay, so this is your canoe, and Salt Spring, how many kilometers is Salt Spring from Pat Bay? How many? So you rowed your boat, you rowed this canoe over, these two strong people, young people. How long did it take you?
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. And you got this baby loaded down, and you just had you had some steaks to eat and stuff?
Yep.
Oh, with a kilo.
Good thing you're slim, right? So it didn't affect you at all. I don't see any guts on you guys. You guys are you guys are in shape here, probably from rowing this thing.
Oh, and from being part Swiss.
Is that what it is?
Climbing trees, playing.
And it's nice out too, isn't it? Isn't it warm?
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
It's perfect. So are you guys gonna row this thing back today?
Oh,
Yep.
no, eventually.
Yeah?
She says
But you don't want to do it in the dark.
Oh, it's
We
alright.
came over here after the moon, we watched the moon.
You did it in the dark? You rowed this over in the dark.
Part of it, yeah.
And how was the water? Was it pretty? Was it like this or was it choppy?
The wind was going the other way.
How about the ferry? Did you pass the ferry?
Oh, 3-4 times.
And how about the waves from the ferry? Does it affect you in the canoe?
Too big.
You didn't feel like it was going to tip over?
Smaller boats make more wake than a big boat.
Is that right?
Totally.
So it's just sort of...
The engines are so much lower, they don't come back up.
Really? So you guys are chilling here on the beach on Salt Spring Island.
I'm coming back home after 2 months of not being here.
And where were you?
Europe.
You're in Europe. So you're traveling. But Sarah's been here. You've been over on the Big Island.
Yeah, on the big one.
But this isn't your home. Our Rock isn't your home. You live on the Big Rock.
Family here, more than just me. And
I probably know who they are because I've been here a long time. No, you don't have to get into that.
We should cut this part
But
out.
no, but I probably know who they are. But it looks like you guys are having fun, and I totally appreciate the interview. This is totally cool because I don't know anybody that's rowed their canoe from Pat Bay to Salt Spring.
Well, we've done it a couple of times.
Wow, but you wouldn't do it in the rain, would you?
Of course.
Would
As long
you?
as you have a bailing bucket, you're set.
I won't even tell you stories about crab fishing up in Seiko.
Really? That's totally cool, man. I think this is wild, and I think people will find this interesting too. Yeah. And what a great day to chill. It's too bad I got to get back to work.
Well, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, and you can watch this on my channel. Now I got to think of a title for this, right? So.
Well, you better tell us.
I will. Well, I'll tell you my channel so you can see it. I got to think of a title for this, and I will tell you when I'm up there shoveling gravel. It's going to come to me, okay? Or maybe you can even think of one and then tell me.
Sounds good.
Canoe trip from the Big Island to Salt Spring or whatever, right? You know.
Pat Bay to SSI.
Yeah. You could do that. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Pat Bay.
Two backwards.
Okay.
Just mess people up.
That's awesome. Okay, thanks you guys. Appreciate it.